Good morning everybody and welcome back to another episode of Lee's Trucking. So this week we're off to that place again. You know the place, that place, you haven't forgotten, have you? That place again. You know that place. What do you mean you don't know that place? That place, remember? Going back to that place. Never mind. If you're unsure, come with me. Had a minor issue with the trailer again this morning, but fixed, all done. I think it's not the trailer, it's my Susie line. Just need to blow some air down it to clear some dirt and dust or whatever again. Which is now fully operational, which is good, can't leave without it, so yeah, had to get that one sorted. And now I find myself in Coventry. I've got a car on my right hand side trying to squeeze by me, which he isn't going to do, and I've got two lorries in front of me which are going about 15 to 20 mile an hour slower than the road allows them, so they're obviously really heavy, and they're double deckers, so you know, ultimate care does need to be taken. They're probably going to go down the M1, whereas for a change, I'm going to go down the M40. I was going to go the M1. But last time I've done the M1, again, it was just full of them lorries. And I was just stuck between loads and just couldn't get past them. So I'm taking a chance on the A40, or the M40 this morning, hoping it's a lot more accessible for me without as many delays. I was just couldn't get past any of them lorries because we're all going the same speed. Just couldn't get past them. It was so annoying. So you know, you're having to sit at 54 behind all these trucks, knowing that if you try and pull out, you just can't get past them for some reason. I don't know what it was. So and then you get rude people like that. They're in the right lane and then go and do that in a car. But to be fair, it's only what I would do in my car, I think. All right, so we're going to head on down the M40 and round the M25 and down the M26 and the M20, and I'll update you as we go, guys. So yeah, I'll see you in a few hours. Ciao for now. Oh, what day, what day, what day, what day, what day. Tell you what, they make that nice and tight, don't they? Stop recording. Right, ruin. Hello guys and girls, how the devil are we? So we have, I'm just going to mark here where I am, and save it, because it was, showers weren't too bad, so I always mark it on here saying good showers, good place to stop, because you can't always remember all these places. So I've done that. I've said, yep, good place, I'd stop here again. So if I mark it, it means I'll stop here again. So I had a shower. It was a lovely, lovely, lovely shower. Right, away we go. Lovely shower. You can probably see behind me my towel hanging there now, I don't know. Actually smell nice. Makes a change. Bit of a weird laugh, Lee. Why? I don't know. Anyway, I thought it was a funny situation to laugh at. So anyway, yeah. Right. So we are right near like that. We are just leaving. Look at it come through. I'm going to come through there. Yeah. So we're just leaving for Paris here. Say we're an hour and 11 minutes away with the current traffic the way it is, which is 50 miles exactly. So that's what Mr. Twatnav's telling me. However, that will probably change. Bear with me a minute. That will probably change and probably be a bit longer, but we have, when it clicks over and changes, we're gonna have about, oh come on van, you can clearly see what's going on, mate. So we've got, so it's clicked over now, so we now have 2 hours and 35 minutes left to make our delivery in Paris. We're not even going to bother getting out of Paris. I've tried it before, it just ain't going to happen. So what I'll probably tend to do is, if I am going to Luxembourg, I will not leave Paris until 10 AM in the morning, to be fair, unless I have to be there really sharpish. So I either want to go before 6 or after 10, because it is chaos. Won't know that anyway, but we'll see. You know, things change. Well, I say change, I've not even been told yet, I'm just assuming because that's what we normally do. So anyway, yeah, as I was saying, we're an hour away, 50 miles in terms of mileage, an hour and 10 in terms of minute, 2 hours and 34 minutes of driving available to us if we wish or need to use it all, which I probably would say we won't, but I've been in a position like this before and still had to stop and go over my hours in Paris. So yeah, that place, yeah, I guess you knew where that place was eventually. It can only be that place, so we're going to refer to Paris as that place. So yeah. Oh, nice and tight getting through here, isn't it? Lovely. Right, so because of all that roadworks, it's gonna get busy. What's he doing on that side of the road? So what's going on there then? I'm taking off from there today. Normally they land here. Well, they're racing down that track. God knows what they're doing. Yeah, welcome to the shithole part of Paris. The part they never talk about, or just one of them anyway. I guess it's everywhere, innit? To be fair. Oh, I guess they go up and down to look for debris after every takeoff, maybe? I don't know. I've got a sneaky feeling matey in front going where I'm going. Oh, you absolute prick. What's the fucking point? Mr. Impatient. You can go now if you want to have a look. No. But we're slow for a reason. It's called safe. Bang. Right, that's us. We're here, so I'll talk to you soon. Alright guys, if you liked today's episode, I just want to say a quick thanks for watching. Plenty more where that came from. Yes, there is. So if you liked what you've seen, please feel free to leave comments below. Leave your comments below. Leave a like. And if you liked it that much, why not just go ahead and press the subscribe button, and it will alert you every time I put a wonderful video out. How about that? Hope you enjoyed the show. See you next week. Bye.